boys and girls, and welcome to another Circle Time Kids Club. My name is Miss Porter, and these are my friends, Pete the Cat, and Jayana and Joshua, and we're so glad to see you again. I'm so glad to see you again, see you again, see you again. I'm so glad to see you again. Welcome to Circle Time. Okay, boys and girls, we're so glad to see you today. So, let's go over our 5 senses. Do you know your 5 senses? I can see with my eyes. I can smell with my nose. I can hear with my ears. I can taste with my tongue. And I can touch with my hands. Alla walla do do do. Oh yeah. Alla walla do do do. Oh yeah. I love you. And we are so glad you're here today. Now, boys and girls, can you say your days of the week? Okay, let's say our days of the week together. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Clap, pow. Okay, now, let's say the days of the week. Sunday. And when I do this, you're going to repeat after me. Sunday. Monday. Monday. Tuesday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Thursday. Friday. Friday. Saturday. Saturday. Very good. Good job, Pete and friends. We are so proud of you. Now, boys and girls, let's say the days of the week in Spanish. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Let's do that again. We're going to say the days of the week in Spanish. Lunes, lunes, martes, martes, miércoles, miércoles, jueves, jueves, viernes, viernes, sábado, sábado, domingo, domingo. Very good. Now, boys and girls, do you know your months of the year? All right, Pete, Joshua, and Jayana, do you know your months of the year? Okay, let's say them together. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, now you say them. January, January. February, February. March, March. April, April. May, May. June, June. July, July. August, August. September, September. October, October. November, November. December, December. Very good. You did a fantastic job. Now, boys and girls, can you count? Let's count our numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Okay, let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now, can you count in Spanish? Let's count our numbers in Spanish. Are you ready, Pete and friends, to count in Spanish? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Let's do that again. We're going to count 1 to 10 in Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Okay, now, can you say your colors? Let's say our colors. Red and yellow and green and blue, purple and orange too. You can sing a rainbow, a pretty rainbow, a pretty rainbow too. All right, let's say the rainbow. This is the color red. This is the color orange. This is the color yellow. This is the color green. This is the color blue. This is the color purple. This is the color brown. And this is the color black. Very good. Okay, now let's say them together. Red, red. Orange, orange. Yellow, yellow. Green, green. Blue, blue. Purple, purple. Brown, brown. Black, black. Good job. Pete and friends, we're so proud of you. You're doing so well. Give yourselves a hand and pat yourself on the shoulder. Good job. Now, can you say your shapes? Let's go over our shapes. Okay. This is an oval. Oval. This is a triangle. Has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3, and a point at the top. Triangle. This is a circle. Has no sides. This is a rhombus. It has 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rhombus. This is a rectangle. Has 2 short sides. 1, 2, 2 long sides. 3, 4. Rectangle. Okay, let's say those shapes again. Oval, triangle, circle, rhombus, rectangle. Very good. Now, let's do our second set of shapes. You're doing so well. This is an octagon. It has many sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. An octagon. This is a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentagon. This is a square. All sides are equal. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Square. And this is a hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the point at the top, hexagon. Good job. Pete, Jayana, and Joshua are so proud of you. You're doing so well. Okay, let's say them again. Octagon, pentagon, square, hexagon. Very good.